on the 24th of March, which happens to be my husband's birthday as well. And so I'm very, very happy to wish you a very happy birthday. And may the good Lord grant you everything that you wish for yourself. May you continue to be a blessing for all of us and continue to bear us in prayer and enjoy your day. I will also be sharing a word of prayer with you on that day, and I'm very, very happy that it coincides with my husband's birthday as well. So there's no way I'm ever going to forget your birthday. Happy birthday, Apostle. I wish you the very best and all of God's blessings. Thank you. This is URSULA, OWNSU EKUFUL, and a Minister for Communications in Ghana. And I'm delighted to have met you, and I'm looking forward to having further engagements with you going forward. God bless you.